Swaminarayan, Principles of Economics and Management. The subject code is 3140709 in 4th sem. So let's start. Unit 4, Basic Economic Problems. So today we are going to discuss about basic economic problems. कौन सा प्रॉब्लम है जो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. So we are going to start with outlines. Basic economic problems. Number 1, poverty, unemployment and inflation. Poverty, तो poverty का meaning we are going to discuss. Absolute and relative poverty, causes and remedies. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट तो मीनिंग उसका क्या है, टाइप्स एंड कोजेज एंड रेमेडीज. लाइक इन्फ्लेशन, मीनिंग, टाइप्स, कोजेज एंड मेजर्स टू कंट्रोल, कि हाउ टू कंट्रोल इन्फ्लेशन. सो दीज आर द आउटलाइन्स. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वन बाय वन. पॉवर्टी का मीनिंग, एब्सोल्यूट एंड रिलेटिव पॉवर्टी, कोजेज एंड रेमेडीज. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, टाइप्स एंड कोजेज. इन्फ्लेशन, तो मीनिंग, टाइप्स, कोजेज एंड मेजर्स टू कंट्रोल. Basic economic problems. Number 1, poverty, unemployment and inflation. So let's start. Look at here, we can see here the poverty. All the children are sitting with blank dishes. So it's a economic problem, poverty. Each and every student's facial expression tells you a lot rather than the words. So action speaks louder than words. You can see here. What is poverty? Poverty is about not having enough money to meet basic needs, including food, clothing, and shelter. Poverty is about not having enough money to meet basic needs. आपको basic needs नहीं मिलती है. पॉवर्टी कब दूर हो सकती है, व्हेन इट इज़ रिमूव, जब बेसिक नीड्स हमें मिले, लाइक फूड, क्लोथिंग एंड शेल्टर. फूड, क्लोथिंग एंड शेल्टर, इट्स अ बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ एवरीवन. concepts of poverty, there are two concepts of poverty. Absolute poverty, there are two concepts of poverty, absolute and relative poverty. So let's discuss. Absolute poverty. Absolute poverty refers to a condition where a person does not have the minimum amount of income. जबकि पर्सन के पास मिनिमम अमाउंट नहीं है. बेसिक इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम में हमने देखा कि फूड, शेल्टर and food, shelter and the basic needs. So absolute poverty refers to a condition where a person does not have the minimum amount of income needed to meet the minimum requirements. उसके minimum requirements भी खाने की, क्लोथिंग, जैसे कि कहते हैं रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, like that, for one or more basic living needs over an extended period of time. So you can see here it shows the picture tells you a lot. Absolute poverty refers to a condition where a person does not have the minimum amount of income. उसके minimum amount of income ही नहीं है जिससे वो needs जो clothing है, food है, shelter है, वो satisfaction मिले. Not one person but the whole family. Absolute poverty in India. Earlier, India used to define the poverty line based on a method defined by a task force in 1979. Absolute poverty in India used to define, जब कब इंडिया में डिफाइन हुआ कि ये absolute poverty है, when the poverty line based on a method defined by a task in 1979 में पता चला कि एब्सोल्यूट पॉवर्टी क्या है, दैट वी कैन डिफाइन. इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपेंडिचर फॉर बाइंग फूड. Expenditure for buying food worth 2400 calories in rural areas and 2100 calories in urban areas. So जिसने भी रिसर्च किया है, ये प्रॉपर रिसर्च है इन 1979 के. इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपेंडिचर किया उन्होंने कि कितनी सैलरीज रूरल एरियाज में है एंड अर्बन एरियाज में है. In 2011, the Suresh Tendulkar Committee defined the poverty line on the basis of monthly spending on. Monthly spending हम किस पे करते हैं? आप कहेंगे food या education. It must necessary. Health must necessary. First, health is wealth. Electricity and transport. 2011 में सुरेश तेंदुलकर की कमेटी ने उन्होंने डिफाइंड किया द पॉवर्टी लाइन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मंथली स्पेंडिंग. मंथली स्पेंड हम किस में करते हैं? तो फूड, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो इट्स एब्सोल्यूट पॉवर्टी ये डिफाइन की है सुरेश तेंदुलकर की कमेटी ने. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम, अ पर्सन हु नॉट एबल स्पेंड्स ₹27.2 in rural and ₹33.3 in urban areas per day are living below the poverty line. It is BPL. So it's a absolute poverty that we have defined here. And in 2014 it was revised by committee headed by former Reserve Bank Governor C. Rangarajan. People living on less than ₹32 per day in rural areas and ₹47 per day in urban areas is poor. उनको डिफाइन किया बैंक के गवर्नर ने श्री रंगराजन ने कि कौन रूरल एरियाज में कौन से लोग जो ₹32 के लेस देन पर डे कमाते हैं, इट्स दे आर मोर पुअर एंड 47 पर डे इन अर्बन एरियाज इज पुअर. Relative poverty. It is a condition in which people lack the minimum amount of income needed in order to maintain the average standard of living in the society. It is a condition in which people lack the minimum amount of income. लोगों के पास minimum amount of income है and needed in order to maintain average standard of living in the society. You can see here the photos, shelter, cloth and food. It's a basic needs of each and every person. So relative poverty में we can see here the standard of living. आपका standard कैसा है सोसाइटी में आपका रहने का? It tells you. Relative poverty example. It is obvious that example here, A is poorest person while D is richest person. However, relative poverty may be assessed on the basis of some standard level of income. Relative poverty है वो it may be assessed on the basis of some standard level of income पे depend है. If ₹20,000 per month is considered a standard level of income, then A, B and C are considered relatively poor person. If ₹10,000 per month 10,000 rupees is considered as standard level of income, then only A is considered relatively poor person. So here we have discussed about A, B and C as a relative poverty. You can see here person and income. A है 5,000, B 10,000, C 15,000 and D 25,000. So here we have discussed about A, B and C की relative poverty with example. And D causes of poverty. कौन से causes है जिससे poverty होते हैं? नंबर 1 low rate of economic growth, low rate of economic growth and economic inequalities, economic inequalities. Benefits of public investment have accrued more to the upper layer of the society. Unemployment and underemployment that we are discussing. Inflationary price rise, faster population growth among the poor, low level of literacy among the poor, inadequacies of anti-poverty programs and corruption, natural calamity. These are the causes of poverty. Low rate of economic growth, economic inequalities, benefits of public investment have accrued more to the upper layer of the society. Unemployment and underemployment, inflationary price rise, faster population growth among the poor. कितनी फास्टर पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है आपकी, and low level of literacy among the poor, inadequacy of anti-poverty programs and corruption and natural calamities. These are the causes of poverty. Measures to reduce poverty. How can we reduce poverty? So we have to think about it and we have to take a step. Number 1 rapid economic growth. रैपिड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ यानी जीडीपी, रैपिड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, रिड्यूसिंग इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटीज, प्रोग्रेसिव इनकम टैक्स, एम्प्लॉयमेंट ओरिएंटेड प्लानिंग इट मेक इन इंडिया. That we are going to discuss about how to reduce poverty. Adoption of appropriate pattern of production. Adoption of appropriate pattern of production, drip irrigation, control of inflation and price stability, reduction of import duty on essential commodities, removal of illiteracy, right to free primary education, population control, family planning. पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल में फैमिली प्लानिंग होना चाहिए. स्पेशल प्रोग्राम ऑफ पॉवर्टी इरेडिकेशन, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम, ग्राम रोजगार योजना. या यू कैन ऑल्सो कंडक्ट इन योर एरिया सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम, ग्राम रोजगार योजना, वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम, महात्मा गांधी नरेगा. ये है मेजर हाउ टू रिड्यूस पॉवर्टी. एंड सोशल सिक्योरिटी प्रोग्राम, आम आदमी बीमा योजना, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, यू कैन सी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मीन्स के पर्सन के पास देयर इज़ नो वर्क, कि उसको बेसिक नीड मिले, फूड, क्लोथिंग एंड शेल्टर. सो ही नीड अ वर्क. You can see here unemployment, he is searching a job. What is unemployment? Unemployment refers to a situation in which a person is jobless though he is able to work. तो उसको नहीं ऐसा करना चाहिए. या he is willing to work, he is ready to accept the current wage rate and he is in search of job. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कब होता है? ही इज़ एबल टू वर्क, ही इज़ विलिंग टू वर्क, ही इज़ रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट करंट वेज रेट एंड ही इज इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब. एक्टिव लेबर फोर्स. सो एक्टिव लेबर फोर्स, unemployment is a concept which is connected with only active labor force in the country. Active labor force is age group 15 to 60 year. housewives, physically handicapped person, old person and children. The who are involved, housewives, physically handicapped, old person and children are involved, are not included in active labor force. They are not included. Voluntary and involuntary employment, unemployment. वॉलंटरी एंड इनवॉलंटरी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट टू टाइप्स होते हैं. वॉलंटरीली अनएम्प्लॉयड person choose not to work because his expected salary is higher than the usual salary. पर्सन की इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन सैलरी है, उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन सैलरी ज़्यादा है रादर देन यूजुअल सैलरी. Involuntarily unemployed person is willing to work at the usual salary yet he is unemployed. या अगर आप शेल्टर, क्लोथिंग एंड फूड आपका है तो यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट एनी जॉब. सो पर्सन इज विलिंग टू वर्क एट द यूजुअल सैलरी येट ही इज अनएम्प्लॉयड. सो वॉलंटरी एंड इनवॉलंटरी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट में ऐसा है. looking for a job. So involuntary में looking for a job, so a person is satisfied whatever job is come at his path. Dimensions यानी effect of unemployment. Economic, it indicates unutilized or underutilized manpower. We cannot get desired increases in production and national income. Economy में we cannot get desired increases in production and national income. Number 2, social. We start support to any activity to oppose the exciting economic and social system. Psychological, he cannot live life with self respect. Psychological में ऐसा है कि वो self respect से he can't live a life. Become mentally frustrated. Become mentally frustrated. Types of unemployment: cyclical unemployment, frictional unemployment, structural unemployment and seasonal unemployment. There are 4 types of unemployment: cyclical, frictional, structural and seasonal. So let's start cyclical unemployment. This type of unemployment increases during a recession and decreases during boom. Businessmen are unwilling to spend money on salaries when they believe consumers are not buying their products. If they are buying products, they are not taking interest so much. For example, when people buy fewer cars, businessmen don't need many workers to meet the consumer demand. Yeah, अगर कार इतनी बेची नहीं देते तो he not give any chance or opportunity to anyone to work. As the demand for cars decreases, so does the demand for automobile workers. An automobile worker may be laid off during a recession when people are buying fewer cars. It is a cyclical unemployment. As the economy strengthens and consumers start to spend more money on goods, for example cars, the unemployed worker will probably be rehired. Frictional unemployment, it is always present in the economy, resulting from temporary transitions made by workers and employers. It is caused because unemployed workers may not always take the first job offer they receive because of the wages and necessary skills. This type of unemployment is also caused by failing firms, poor job performance or outdated skills. This may also be caused by workers who will quit their jobs in order to move to different parts of the country. Frictional unemployment can be seen as a transaction cost of trying to find a new job also. It is the result of not having perfect information of available jobs. structural unemployment. It is the situation when the jobs are available and also the workers are willing to work, but they don't have the required job skills suitable for the vacant positions. It occurs due to the change in the demand for specific types of worker because of the fundamental shifts in the economy, advances in technology, and changes in market conditions often turn many skills outdated. For example, with the rise of computers, many jobs in manual bookkeeping have been replaced by highly efficient software users also. Workers need to acquire new skills in order to obtain such jobs. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. Workers of seasonal business will get employment in season only, and in off season they unemployed. या सीजन में वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट होता है और इन ऑफ सीजन दे आर अनएम्प्लॉयड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वर्कर्स ऑफ मैंगो फार्म. या वर्कर्स ऑफ मैंगो फार्म इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर ऑल.